So I can see gold is closing bullish. I'll advise you to take a buy here at 33, 39 or 38. Okay, then your stop loss should be here exactly on 34. That's 50 pips. That's you risking, and the target still remains 33.66. Okay, it's like 300 pips for a target. So let's just see what gold has to offer today, bro. So we've already taken a buy at 33.39, which is currently giving just 20 pips only for scalping. And as we can see, gold is currently moving just from whence I called out the scalping signal growth. That's nice. If you're on TikTok live, you can see how my entries are protected. I entered at 338 and I've protected on break even. Okay, so it's only left to ride it up. Congratulations to everyone that followed this setup. Well, it feels right. It feels right.